Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another live day trading. Haven't traded in a few days. It is now April 13th of 2026. No news today, but we do have this fat ass gap that we created because yesterday Trump announced like some type of bullshit on the Iran war. And so when market opened, we dropped all the way down here. During pre-market, we pretty much completely filled this gap. We're about to completely fill it on ES. We just filled it on NASDAQ right here. So I barely just got on the market. So let's just figure out what we're, it looks like we wanted to come down, fill out this 4-hour gap right here too. We didn't fill it, but we entered it and then might be reversing off that. So daily is bullish. 4-hour looks to be bullish too. Bearish on this one. We might fill this gap to go lower, but look, I think just during pre-market in London and Asia session, we just wanted to come up. So we might just continue this. We're just instantly sweeping out. We're instantly sweeping out London highs on both. So let's see what we do. We could just get a crazy reversal right now. NASDAQ is at the top of this fair value gap and ES is below. So if we want to reverse, we are about to break structure on the 1 minute on ES, not on NAS. All right, let's see if we want to go higher now. I mean, we broke structure on the 1 minute, but we're still bullish on the 5 minute. We're literally bullish on everything. 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, everything's bullish. So like, low-key, I want to see inverse of this gap. Low-key, ES is closer. 36 seconds. Dang. We gotta wait. Wow, that's kind of crazy. I still think we're bullish though. Like, we did fill this gap. Wow, we filled it on NASDAQ too to go lower, but we're bullish on everything, bro. Just consolidating right now. There's no way we inverse this one. 30 seconds. Let's see. Oh, we inverse that one, dude. I'm not taking a short, bro. Maybe I'm like biased, maybe, or stupid. Let me see. London low could be a good low to go after. It's just like everything is bullish, dude. It doesn't make sense, bro. Why would it? NASDAQ's lower? Bro, are you serious? It's dead ass gonna go lower? I don't even know where to put my stop loss at this point. Wait, hold on, actually. Possible SMT divergence right here. Make sure no news came out. There's a candle missing on this one too. 645 candle is not here. Pretty bad price action if I'm being honest with you. NASDAQ look, he looks better, but holy. I mean, I can't enter off that. I gotta wait for it to come back down a little bit. Okay. Let me move this up so I don't get. That was genuinely like the fastest I've ever had to act on the markets, bro. I think that was the fastest break even I've ever done. Filled this bullish fair value gap to go up. But we got one down here. So we gotta see what price wants to do. Hopefully we inverse this one. We go up higher, obviously. But we're about to create this 5-minute fair value gap too. And that would, I mean, I could put my stop here, but that's where I wanted my entry point. But price wanted to literally shoot up. That was crazy. Maybe take profits right here, actually. If you retouch this point. No, that wouldn't even be 1-to-1. Oh, it would, but barely. Alright, come on, price. Just inverse that. That was weird. Price, like, literally, like, skyrocketed on, like, 3 candles. And then shot back down. And then, like, slowed down. Like, it's crazy how price action can literally just, like, have that crazy volatility out of nowhere. At 648 for 3 candles and then just slow down again. I want to see us inverse this, and then I'll move my stop loss to under like this candle right here. Right here. You got this fair value gap now that we could come into. We'll see what price wants to do. But this is a risk-free trade, so it just depends on if we make profit now. I actually want to see. Dude, when price jumped, it literally was like literally jumped like 36 ticks and 9 points. Let's see the second one. Second one was 42 ticks. Daily? Do I think we're going up to the daily? That would be crazy. I'll put mine here because this is a 1 hour high, which makes sense to me. But we could definitely go all the way up to there or above this high on ES and on NASDAQ, which is a good sign. I'm not moving it. If it goes, I'm not moving my take profit. If it goes higher, that's just price being crazy after a huge gap. This makes sense. Oh, because price dips so much. Checking my investments and seeing that I'm down like $50 or like $6 for the day. I'm like, buzz all right. Dude, I hear a whole bunch of people say they never get hungry in the morning, but I don't understand that, bro. Like I don't understand. I'm always hungry in the morning. There's like a few times where I'm not that hungry, but like genuinely most days I wake up because like I wake up at like 6 or something. So then like by the time 7 or 7:30 comes around, I'm literally starving. But I don't know how people just ripped ass. I don't know how people are not hungry in the morning. Holy reversal, dude. Holy shit, my fart stinks bad. Dude, why are we reversing right now? I'm thinking this could just be a retracement on the 1 minute. Like this one too, so there's no way we reverse all the way down to my stop loss. I mean, there is a way because price could do whatever it wants, but that would be crazy. All right, once again, same thing. If we inverse this gap, I'll move my stop loss to this point right here. If we inverse this gap, if we don't, then I'm not doing it. We have this gap that we could inverse, but this one's higher, so this one matters more. Once again, risk-free trade even more now. All right, I'm gonna go take a piss, brother. Let's see if this TP hits. Either way, let's see if it comes down and stops me out right here. Makes sense to me why price would want to come up here, but you know, with this price action recently, not this price action is good, but with price action like recently, like we've been doing, has not been good. Like that, and this really bad wicks. But we will see what happens. Trump has been weird with this price action lately. It looks like we're about to get stopped out right here. Right here. That'll be the first time we went below the most recent low too. Crazy. Like right here we hit a low, we didn't go below it. Right here we did. Right here we did. And we might go below this low. Let's see what NASDAQ wants to do. NASDAQ's below that low. Let's see if he stays above it. Doubtful. Because price would have to literally go all the way up back here. Maybe I should have, I don't know, take profits here though? I don't know. No, this makes the most amount of sense to me, but I guess could have taken profits anywhere in here. I mean, I'm still going to if it hits that. There it is. All right, we still made profit, but $968. I mean, I don't know. I feel like this is just part of my psychology. Like, that's just annoying. Because, like, it was literally this many ticks away. 11 ticks away. That's just, like, fucking retarded. And NASDAQ was even closer. I don't know why price has been doing this. Just does not hit take profits recently. But, I mean, I can't be mad because I still made profit. But it's just, like, why? Like, why does price do that? I don't understand. And then what it's going to do is this. It'll, like, do this, and then it'll just... Or, like, it'll do that. Like, it's just been hitting take profit recently. But after it does this, it doesn't make sense to me. But, you know, we still hit take profit, so I can't be mad. It's just a little frustrating. It would have been different if I was able to get my entry, which was all the way down here. But price wanted to give me an entry up here. But that's all right. All right, guys. I'll see you on Wednesday because I'm not trading core PPI and I'm not full porting. I'm not doing none of that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.